In this video, I'll show you how you can use random numbers in your Java programs. I call them random because it's a short name, but in fact they aren't really random. They look like random, but they aren't. They are generated with help of special formula, so we can call them pseudorandom. There are several ways of generating them in Java, and I'll show you a couple of them. Let's start with random method of mass class, which returns random double in range from 0 to 1, including 0 and excluding 1. So we need double d equals math random, and let's print it. Let's run our program, and here you can see a very random double number, and another one. We can print 5 of these numbers. And here is the result. If we run the program once again, there will be other numbers. Look at them. They are different all the time. And what if we want to get random integers? Let's change our program a little bit. And here we need to cast to integer. And let's run the program once again. So here we can see 5 random doubles, and here we can see 5 random integers. The range will be from 0 to 10 in this case, including 0 and excluding 10. Let's try to change it. Let it be from 0 to 100, excluding 100. And you might see our numbers. They are pseudo-random. 5 double random numbers, 5 integer random numbers. Another way of getting random numbers is using random class. First of all, we need to create an object of random class, and then we'll try to use a couple of methods. Random equals new random. And here we need to import Java util random. Then we need to generate one integer number. And num equals random, and let's use this next int method. Then we need to print it. And let's run our program. As you can see here, we have very big random or very small random number, and this is integer number. Also, we can use more interesting method, and this is next int method, but this method gets bound. Let it be num2, and here we might have 10, for example. As you might see, the second number is in range from 0 to 10, including 0 and excluding 10. Let's change it to 100. And here we have random number from 0 to 100. Or we might change it to 1000. And it will be from 0 to 1000, excluding 1000. Okay, let's solve a very simple task here. User enters two numbers, which are bounds of some range, and program prints 10 random numbers in this range. First of all, we need to declare two integer numbers. And then we need to enter it from the keyboard. We need scanner class for that. And we need to import scanner to our program, and then we need to close it. Now let's invite our user to enter the first number. And then we need to enter B. Now let's print 10 random numbers. If we use B here, it will mean that we have range from 0 to B, excluding B. Let's try. Enter 5 and 10. And here we have 10 numbers from 0 to 10, not from 5, from 0. Let's run it once again. 5 and 10. Here we have 1, 2, 2, 1. So it's from 0 to 10. But we need to have it from A to B. So let's add A plus our random number. Let's run it once again. From 5 to 10. And here we have from 5 to 14. Let's try it once again. 5 and 10. So we have from 5 to 14. That's why we need to subtract A here. Let's run it once again. 5 and 10. We don't have 10 here. We have only 9. Once again, I want to have from 5 to 7. I have 5, 6, that's all. 5 to 7. From 5 to 6, excluding 7. Maybe if we add 1 here, we will get our result from 5 to 7. And now we have our range. So this is our formula. Let's try different range. For example, from -5 to 5. And as you can see, we can get very interesting results. Once again, from -10 to 10. And we can see negative and positive results. Or let it be from -1 to 1. And we have 1, and we have 0, and -1. So it looks like the program is correct. Okay, what if I want to print random letter? In this case, we need to know that all letters have their codes, and all we need to do is to generate letters by their codes. Let's use this loop and change it a little bit. We should know that letter A, small letter A, has integer code 97. Or we might use this character. And we have 26 letters in our Latin alphabet. And here we need to have character, char type. And then we need to cast it to char. Something like this. And let it be letter. Letter. Now let's run the program. As you might see, we can see here our random letters. Do we have Z? Yes, we have Z and one extra symbol. Maybe because of this one here. Let's run it once again. Here we can see A. But do we have Z? Yes, we have it here. We might change our program and print our letters in one line and let it be 20 letters. So in this case, we might get random string. Random letters.